Hi, do you find it difficult when you give a proposal to a client, when you do a sales pitch to a client, it is difficult to interpret what are they saying? Do you find it difficult to plan your next actions in the whole sales process? Do you face a challenge when your sales team gives you a variety of responses and you don't know whether the sale is closed or not? If these are the challenges you are facing, then this is the video for you. Hi, I am Ankur from Kedia Growth Services, and I help build businesses their right sales models, their right sales processes, which help them plan their growth effectively. Today, I will talk about 4 different kind of sales responses which will help you guide and plan your next steps well. So let's understand what are these 4 responses. Sales conversations should always remain structured according to you. But these same sales conversations are never structured from the customer's point of view. Let me repeat that again. Sales conversations should always be structured from your point of view. But these same sales conversations are never structured from the customer's point of view. See, so you are trained, you are well rehearsed, you follow a script while doing a sales conversation with a client. But your customer doesn't know about it. Your customer is not bound to follow that same script. They might answer your question casually, emotionally, and not even from a decision-making logic. But it is on you on how you respond to it. We as business owners need to teach our sales teams so that these sales conversations can be structured in the right manner. Let's understand today what different kind of sales conversations should be structured in what kind of responses. Here are these 4 categories. It's done. Block the material for me. When will we get the delivery? Okay. Just send me the invoice. It's done. Okay. This kind of response will be categorized into something called done deal. When you get done deal type of a response, then the first action that you should do is you should start your execution process immediately. This in the long run will reduce your delays and will keep the customer happy. I need to talk to my partner. I'll tell you by tomorrow. Let's talk tomorrow. I need to talk to my team. I'll let you know. Okay. These kind of responses should be categorized into something called almost done. Almost done type of response actually means that it's a yes, but not, just not now. Something that you should never do to such leads is that you should leave them and wait for them to get back to you for the next 7-10 days. There should be a trigger so that you do a follow-up call with them within the next 48 hours. This is a very critical stage and the lead should be handled very carefully. At the moment, we don't need it. There's no requirement for now. No point. I'll refer you. We don't need it right now. Okay. When this is the kind of response you get, then you should categorize these responses into something called no for now. NFN. No for now means that this is a no. I agree it's a no, but it's not forever. So you should plan to get back to them into some or the other way while keeping in touch with them after next 30 days. If you send them something good or just keep in touch with them after a gap of 30 days, and that's partially appreciated. So when you get a no for now, you should close the sales process for that time, but always keep such clients in the loop. There is no need for it. We don't want to work with you. It's not needed. We don't want it. It's over. Thank you. We don't want it. It's okay. Okay. We don't want it. No. We don't need it. We don't want it. We don't want to work with you. When you get such responses from clients, then we categorize these into something called DND, do not disturb. Do not disturb is a category. When you get this kind of a response, then number one, that you should stop the sales process. Number two, you should put these leads into the D&D category. Number three is that we should train our people, we should train our sales team not to approach these leads. Chasing those lost leads is not just a waste of time, it damages your reputation. There are thousands more leads to chase. We should let these kind of leads go. Now that you have understood the 4 different kind of responses you get from your customers, I need you to build them into your systems, into your sales processes of the company. These response categorization will help you plan your next steps well. So when are you launching the response categorization process in your company? Growth with Kedia. KD. Hi, if you like our content, then do hit the like button. Do share it with somebody who would benefit from watching this video. Do let us know what you think about our content. It will give us an opportunity to improve. If you're a business owner and you would like to have a one-to-one with me, then there is a link in the description. Go for it. Thank you for watching.